guys! This is your regular live enthusiastic Jomie Hospital. That's Jomie. And medyo lahi ni siya nga video, kay dili siya video skit. Well, this is an appreciation video kay 25,000 subscribers na sa YouTube! Yay! And yes, 430,000 plus na punta sa Facebook. So, another yay! That's why I want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And dili na po di ka na. I just want to speak to you. I want to be as genuine as possible in this video because I feel inyong support all this time, and I might need that kind of support again in the succeeding months. So yeah. Well, most of you don't know that I'm taking YouTube full-time. By full-time meaning I don't have a day job because I made a stand. After I graduated in college, I talked to my mom that this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Content creation. This is something that I can see myself doing for the next 30 years. That's why, yeah, I pursued it. And yes, medyo drama lang sa tagamay. Things have not been really that easy since then. And I know that I have an awesome year so far, thanks to you guys. But there are times, lots of them actually, nga di nyo makitaan sa camera, where I doubted myself a lot and told myself to stop. Mostly it's because of the battle for financial independence. Kaya kailangan lagi na ni mo improve after college. Hello, team unemployed! But my family, my mom most especially, my friends, and most of all you guys have supported me since the beginning, and I'm very thankful for that. So yeah, I'm not giving up anytime soon. And in this video, I just want to be as authentic as possible to you guys because I feel that if it wasn't for you in your positive and uplifting comments, I wouldn't be here now doing what I want. So for the end time, thank you so much. But like I said, I'm not giving up anytime soon. That's why I'm here to announce my schedule for the month of November and the months to come. Yes guys, mag-schedule na ta kay daging kasi pangutana kanus ako mag-upload og kani nga video or kani. That's why mas klaruho na to this time. Ready? Every Monday we'll do versus videos. These are the types of videos like single versus taken, expectation versus reality, bae versus lucky, anything under the sun. Basta versus. Every Tuesday we'll do reaction time. This is the day where mag-react ko to any viral video, any movies, TV series, I don't know, anything po. Every Wednesday is a Jomie video. And by Jomie video, I mean ako ug akong dagway. Yes, makita ninyo mga titles like Why I Am Single, Thoughts Before Ko Matulog, mga inana. And mostly, wala siguro ni siya skit. Magstorya ako sa inyo, ha? Unta, dili mo masuman sa akong nawong. Every Thursday is Random Thursday. Of course, gibutang ko ni nga day kay usahay. Feel na ko musayaw o unsa pa dira. That's why it's random kay bisag unsa lang ako mahunaw-na ako ibutangan ni nga day. Every Friday is challenges and collaborations with my favorite people in the planet. This is the time where makipag-collaborate ko sa akong mga pinakaganahan na tao diri sa world. O gisa na dadto ay dili pinakalabaw sa tanan. Gusto na ko ma-collaborate si Char! Hilom sa ta, kaya di pa siya makig-collaborate na. And also, every Friday, magbuhat pa di ko Dear Dr. Gugma. Muni nga panahon nga atong interviewin si Dear Dr. Gugma about sa inyong mga suliran. So yeah, keep posted. Every Saturday sa comedy skit, muna ni siya ang mga types of boyfriends, mga lain-lain klase sa mga hubog, anytime or anything na types of concentrated on virality para ipangtag ninyo ang inyong mga friends. Kaya mga ego sila. And last but not the least, every Sunday is Q for J or Questions for Jomie. Muna nga day nga akong pangutanon ng inyong mga pangutana. Ano man? Ano akong ingon? Is Q for J or Questions for Jomie. Muna nga day nga akong pangutanon ng inyong mga pangutana. Okay sa'yo, punsa na dapat. Akong tubagon ng inyong mga pangutana. Yeah! Bisaya! Sa akin bitaw, kawala ko sa akong pagka-Bisaya. So sorry. And yes, most of you guys are fans of that one Bay or BJ Serye, but I'm kind of afraid that I may have to discontinue the series. But dili ko mag-goodbye sa BJ Serye entirely because the characters kay ma-appeal jud sila sa akong mga skit like I do all the time. However, pwede man na ako sila ibutang sa Random Thursday kung feel na ako maghugot ana nga day kay lagi ganahan mo mga hugot. And most importantly, I just would like to stress that I want you guys, hopefully, you will subscribe to my channel because I feel that grabe ako ang growth sa Facebook and dili kay siya na naka-translate sa YouTube. So, what you're doing now, go to my channel. That's www.youtube.com youtube.com/powered by Jomie. The link can be seen below. Subscribe, guys. And tanawa po ninyo ang mga advertisement kay dira rata makakwarta para makabuhat patagdaghan video. Ta! And ultimately, kailangan lang ko mag-announce. That's why ang title ani nga video is calling all Bisaya people, because I have a vision and I want to share that vision to you guys. And wala man siguro kayo may nailhan ng mga Bisaya YouTubers. Kung naaman, comment down below. I would love to see them. Kaya akong vision lagi is ang growth sa atong mga Bisaya YouTuber. There's a huge difference between content creators and YouTuber. Content creator, ka nang magbuhat ng videos sa Facebook. And of course, YouTuber ka nang na-channel sa YouTube. It's kind of different, guys, and I've always been a content creator in Facebook. This time, I wanna be a full-time YouTuber. So yeah, subscribe! But don't get me wrong, of course, dili ko magbabay sa Facebook kay naa dito tanan mga positive comments. However, i-upload na ako ang mga videos sa YouTube one day before sa Facebook. So kung ganahan mo makauna sa mga videos, again, subscribe. Sorry sa mga free data! Yes, kasabot ko ana, guys! But there's no such thing as free lunch! Economics! Char, bitaw guys. So, adjud ko choice. Unahon lang sa nako sa YouTube this time. And ay sa Facebook. Ay para mo-grow po na akong channel. And also, dili tanan videos nga akong i-upload sa akong YouTube channel. Akong i-upload sa Facebook. Ang ako ibutang lang sa Facebook is katong mga comedy skit, mga types of Jomie video. Maski siguro ang Q4J, you have to watch it in my channel. That's why, it's for the end time. Subscribe! Mura ka naghan ako na ingon og subscribe. Sharo, di pa mo mag-subscribe. So, I believe that's it, guys. Panahon na para tapuko na to ang atong Bisaya nga force. And i-show na to nga napod tay audience. Yeah, guys, this time, Bisaya na pud. O, di ba? Kalami pa minaon. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Jomie Hospital. Nagaingon. Unsa ko ingon? Walay bahayay, Bisaya tabay! Pa!